Okay, this here is a pangolin, lightweight servo. Not sure if it's Metal Gears or not. We got a 540 brushless motor under there, plastic drive shafts with metal things right there. 540 brushless motor. So I'm not sure what shocks they are. Not sure what tire size, but it's got real good flex travel. It comes in at about this car. It comes in about $300 to $400. You can get it. You can get it rear and front wheel drive, so you can got all the mounts there. But mine is just front wheel steer. You can get a rear steer and stuff. It's metal links, just plastic and not portal axles, but they do have lock diffs, so they're all locked, like front and rear. I was running in like a 2S battery, the ESC speed controller, not sure, fly sky, receiver and transmitter. You got all your trims in there. You can do one hand on these, as you can see, very easy. And yeah, I'm gonna turn it on and test it and review it for you. So let's go. So there's the car on. Flick the transmitter on. Okay, there it's on. Okay. So this thing only goes about 8 kilometers, 7 kilometers. It's a really good budget RC. Real good. It can crawl up vertical stuff. Like, just went up there. Sorry for my driving. This is like pretty much my first rear steer. Not rear steer. What the hell? Like for one hand controller. We're going to drive up this wheelie bin. So let's go up it now. That's really good. No hand, just a controller. Now let's drive up the wheelie bin. It's one hand, by the way. Not struggling at all. We'll drive up this tyre and get a flex test for you. That's all wheels on the ground. Easy. We'll give you a speed test. Okay. So just my bad hand. It's about. This is me just walking next to it. So it's about 7 or 8 kilometers per hour. Real good budget crawler. Make it over that. Up a hill. It's got metal links and all that. I'll crawl it up the house. Straight up. There's not that much to say about this, except for a real good budget car. Like definitely one of my favourite crawlers that I've had. It's not really a scale crawler, but it's real nice. And yeah, that's all I've really got to say for you. Yeah, you can get it from like, I'm not sure where I got it from, I can't remember. But real good. It's not really good to bash, but I'll do like a jump here. Oh, not really a jump, but oh well. This is a real steep driveway, so we can go up. We'll go on these rocks up here. So we go over this little bump. And now it's on the rocks. It's meant for a rock crawler. Sorry, wasn't focusing. flex. Pangolin. You can get them rested and stuff, but I chose not to. I can make it rested though. There's not that much traction here. Oh, sorry guys. Anyway, it's bottoming it out on the skid plate, but it's right, and that's about all I have to. It's about all I've got to show you. But sorry, there's a car coming down. But put that down. The suspension is a bit stiff because I haven't oiled these in a while. But yeah, that's real good. As you can see, there's the plate that I got stuck on. But in there, it's a 540 brushless turn motor. And yeah, it's about, for this exact car, it's a bit more dear for about, like for rear steer and stuff and front steer. But this one without rear steer, it's about 200 to 330. But if you get rear steer, it's like about 400 to 380, which I'll just buy this cheap one, and then just because the servo mount's already on the back, then I'll just buy a new servo for like 20 bucks. And then yeah, and if you want to do that and buy it, here is the, come on, focus, the servo thing. So it's not focusing, so that's alright. Just the suspension is real stiff at the moment. I need to oil it back up, put some grease. But yeah, that's how big one of the wheels are. Really nice flex. See there, and let's just say so about from my pinky to my thumb. But yeah, really recommend, really cheap, good rock roller, real power, like it's real good power. Like I'll switch my hands, hold on. You can just walk up anything pretty much, like just walk straight up it. And if you come back here, that's how vertical that is. Oh, I rolled it, but that's straight vertical. And it just rolled up it, so it's around really, really strong. Like it's all metal, like arms and metal stuff here. Real good. I changed the transmitter and the receiver, but yeah, real good. Hold on, my controller. Oh. Yeah, and that's all I've got to say for this video, but see you in the next one. Got some more crawlers on the way soon, and yeah, we'll review them, test them out, see if they're worthy. Like I was thinking of getting the SCX 10-2 or like the SCX 6 and stuff, and TRX 4 Sport and stuff, and like yeah, all that, and we will test them out. So goodbye.